I love a good homemade DIY situation, so if you're into that, keep listening. I decided to make a face mask using something I already had at home: avocado peels, plain yogurt, and honey. Now we already know avocado is packed with nutrients, but the peel often gets overlooked. It contains plant compounds and antioxidants that can help support healthy looking skin. Honey is known for being a natural humectant, meaning it helps attract and hold moisture. And yogurt contains lactic acid, which can help exfoliate and leave your skin feeling soft. So, here's what I did. I saved the peels from the avocados I ate, cleaned them out, and popped them in the oven for a few minutes to help dry them out. Once they were dry, I put them into my grinder and turned them into a powder. Then I mixed my avocado peel powder with plain yogurt and honey until I got a nice consistency. I applied it to my face, let it sit for about 15 minutes, then I washed it off. Now, I'm feeling good, feeling great. But it's definitely too soon to say I noticed a major difference. Skincare, anything, just anything, take consistency. So you're not going to see a miracle after one use. So I'm going to keep using it and see how my skin responds. And if you notice me glowing a little extra, this might be why. I don't have facial products available just yet, but in the meantime, I can definitely get you right with the body scrubs, the body butters, and the natural hair care products I have. Shop Crown Essentials by Yanni. Let's grow and glow together.